This is one thing people don't really get to talk about too much on YouTube, but it's very important. Adding social link to your YouTube profile is one important because it has a lot of advantages. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How you doing? To my return subscribers, thank you, you're the best. And to my new subscribers, thank you very much. Adding social link is one important thing because it gets to make people to contact you directly. Just imagine you have been praying for God to get contracts, and there's no means for them to add you. That's why you see a lot of persons being scammed trying to contact the content creators. You see a lot of persons creating different profile using your name. So with this one, it is easier for the person, a possible client, to contact you directly on your profile instead of those fake scammers actually creating a fake account. And also it makes your channel visible too. Just imagine searching for AGHARESE Blessing on Facebook, and I already have my Facebook on my YouTube. It will bring out YouTube, it will bring out Facebook and all of that. Okay, let me go about LinkedIn, because I have my LinkedIn on my YouTube, and I want contract. I want clients to reach out to me. They'll be like, okay, I just watched Blessing's video and I want to develop a web app, probably a real estate web app. Okay, let me just go and then just check and see Blessing mine. You can contact me anyways, and then get to see my LinkedIn profile, so it will be easier for possible clients to contact you, or even fellow content creators. They'll be like, okay, let's do a deal. So that's one advantage of adding your social links. And not only that, it also makes your channel visible. When people search for your channel or that content or anything related, because you have it on YouTube and you also have it elsewhere like this social, it will make your YouTube channel visible. So guys, without further ado, let's dive into the tutorial. So the first thing to do is to get the link of all the social media profile you want to add to your YouTube channel. So to do this, we first go to Instagram. You can either choose Instagram, LinkedIn, or whichever one you want to add. So go to Instagram, because I'm adding my Instagram profile to it. And then go to the profile. Here on the profile, you see share profile. Click on this share profile. And then you can see HB collection, and then copy the link. So I'll just go and paste it in notes so that I will easily get them. The next social we want to use is LinkedIn. I already have my LinkedIn, but let me just show you how to get a LinkedIn profile. And then go over to this top right corner where I have my profile. Click on it and click this place, and then you see share profile. Share profile via, you can click here, and then to show you to copy, you can see quick share. If you don't have any of this thing here, this is what I usually do. You can either share to Chrome so that you copy it. You can see it here already, and then you click the copy link. So go to TikTok, click on profile, and then click on share profile here. Here on share profile, you can see you have two options: share link or copy. So copy. So you can add Facebook if you want. So I'll go back to Chrome, facebook.com. I have Facebook app, or rather I've not logged in my Facebook app on this phone. It's got a new phone. So I like to load and click on your profile. So once you finish clicking on the profile, you click on this three dot here, and then you see different options, but the one we're clicking on is copy link to profile. It has been copied, and then let me post it here first. So after getting the links, the next thing we're going to do is to go to studio.youtube.com, and then click on it. Okay, you can see it's already here. So your YouTube channel. Then on this left tab here, We have our dashboard, our content, customization, and another library. So we are clicking on this one, customization. Click here. How do I know it? Because I'm used to the studio channel. I'm used to all these customer icons. So is this profile that I want to work on? So we just scroll down. You can see our handlers, description. No. You can add language to your channel anyway. So this is a standard website address, channel URL. You can copy it and paste it elsewhere. This one here. So here we are on links. You can see share external links with your viewers. They will be visible on your channel profile and about page. So whenever people click on the channel, you see them. See my website, blessing https://blessing.com.ng. I think we had my GitHub link, my portfolio link here. Well, not in this video. Okay, I already had my LinkedIn URL added. So what to do now is to click on link. For those of you that have not added link before, it will not show anything. Where I have my website and LinkedIn, it will not show anything. It's not left for you to add. So like the way I'm doing it now, I'm going to click on add link. So once you click on add link, you can see link title. It is required for you to add link title. That's what we show. So let's do the Facebook one. Let's see. Facebook, and then the linked URL. Then that was the last one on my clipboard. So I'll just post it. I just paste it here, facebook.com. And then to add another link, I'll click on add link again. IG or Instagram, but let me write IG, and then I'll click on add link. You can see I've already added that, and then click on add again. Which link? I should add TikTok this time. TikTok. I'm going to delete some of the link I added. For this, now that we've added it, you can now click publish. Click on publish. As it changes, publish, go to channel. Let's go to the channel, click on more. You can see this is it. Facebook link, Instagram, TikTok, ID, all links are being added. If you want to delete the links you've added, all you have to do is to click on it, or click on this button here, these two dots here, and then click on delete to remove it, and then click on I want to remove my Facebook one. Click on I don't really use Facebook like that. I think I'm okay with TikTok and LinkedIn and my website, so I'll click publish. So I did this on your studio, YouTube studio. Is to go over to your YouTube studio and then go over to this icon here, click on it, click on setting, click on this barrel button over here, and then scroll to see links. You can see links. Click on the barrel button, and then do the same thing I told you to do. Click on add to add. You can see add title, add URL. That's how to go about it. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you got value. So if you still there, you've not liked this video, I need your support, not money. You don't have to pay me, buddy. I need your support by liking the video and subscribing if you've not. So until next time, stay motivated.